Hi guys, today is September the 19th and we're looking at examining the charts and the market direction, and we are looking at a chart of S&P 500 which is just trading in a very nice range, and it is moving sideways here, as you can see, because what I've done here is that we put on that study last night about the Bollinger Bands, and that's what it looks like in the Bollinger Bands, because it was hitting here and the stock has started moving here towards the side, and that is what we're experiencing. But the market is not going down, it's holding on to the 1467 61 levels, and it is overbought. So what, I mean, it can stay overbought for a long period of time and it just continues to go up higher. But this movement to the side is what we're experiencing right now in the market, in a tight range. The market only went up 173 and a very tight range. It did not change much. If let's take a look at the 2-minute chart, and you get an idea what this is about here. Take a look at this. We started the day off and just finished it here back down to 1461. There was a little bit sell off in the afternoon. The existing home sales, which were like 8% higher than compared to 2010, the best ever. But this is a month where the real estate in July, August really goes up. It's a seasonal thing, so nothing to be taken on in this way. And so that the market was happy about it in the morning, and then it just finished the day here today with a little sell-off. Not to mention that it ended up with 1461, which is a round number, which is not a round number, but which is above. Okay, let's take a look at RUT, R-U-T, which is the broad market, and see how we're faring on that one. And the same story lies here. It just touched the band yesterday. You can go back and look at the video, and now it's moving to 1856, and the stochastic is turning from the top, which is showing us we may have some more down days to go. NDX, let's take a look at it too also, and get an idea what that is about. NDX is sitting here comfortably at about 2864. On all the stocks here, we have been looking at Google here a lot. These are bellwether stocks. Why do we trade these stocks? And you answer, we don't trade a whole lot of stocks. The reason is these stocks makes money, and this stock has been nothing but going up here, straight up here. But now it is such a high level here. Now I look at all these stocks here on a technical basis. We just don't jump into a position when it is making a multi-year high. On a huge volume, the stock went up here to 727 and is tagging the band here as well on a Bollinger Band. So it may push back here to 720 and something, but this trend line is still in place, and as long as it does not break that trend line, we're in good shape. On the other position, we have Apple here. And why do we trade Apple all the time? Because Apple is the biggest company with the market cap and one of the best known stocks ever in this whole universe that I've seen. And hence, we trade the best of the vehicles that are available and the money can buy, because we use options, they are leveraging it, and we're able to get, can you imagine buying 200, 300 shares of Google, or Apple, and trying to trade this thing? It has cost a lot of money. So we are using the power of options and still able to use 3 contracts, which is quite a bit shares it controls. Do you know how many shares it controls? Multiply that by 100. So it is controlling actually 300 shares because you're selling puts and or buying things with it. So we are here at about 702, and we're not giving up anything on it. So we're trading one of the best vehicles out there that are really known to people. Look at this vehicle. Would you rather trade this? And these are what other places and services do. I know somebody who is trading a Q-Core. Look at this, what happened to it. It's a good stock, $50 stock, but you never know what they will do. It's a cup-shaped pattern, and it dropped 47% today on a huge volume because one of the drug cannot be insured by Aetna. And that's the kind of a thing that you want to avoid. LULU, Lulu, and I will cover this very briefly here. Lulu is holding its gains pretty decently here, and chomping around here is still very bullish. And Home Depot one more time, and if I have enough time I can squeeze in. You can just look at the chart, it's very bullish here too. So that is all for today.